Packing for a trip can be a daunting task, whether you're heading out for a weekend getaway or a month-long international adventure. The key to a successful journey is being well prepared with the right essentials. This video will walk you through the most important items to pack for different types of trips: domestic and international, adventurous, and general. Let's dive in. 1. General packing essentials. No matter where you're going or what type of trip you're embarking on, there are some universal essentials that every traveler should pack. 1.1. Documents and money. Passport and visa, if required. Ensure your passport is valid for at least 6 months beyond your return date and check visa requirements for your destination. ID card. Always carry a form of identification for domestic travel to prove your identity. Travel itinerary and tickets. Keep printed and digital copies of your flight, train, or bus tickets for easy access. Accommodation details. Print confirmations and have digital copies of your hotel or rental reservations to avoid any confusion. Travel insurance. A copy of your travel insurance policy with emergency contact numbers for peace of mind. Credit and debit cards. Inform your bank of your travel plans to avoid any issues with transactions abroad. Cash. Carry local currency for your destination, as well as some emergency cash in USD or EUR for unexpected situations. 1.2. Health and safety. Medications. Bring any prescription medications along with a copy of the prescription in case you need to refill it. First aid kit. Include basics like Band-Aids, antiseptic wipes, pain relievers, and any specific medications you might need in case of minor injuries or illnesses. Face masks and hand sanitizer, essential for maintaining hygiene, especially in crowded places and during transit. Vaccination records, required for some international destinations and important for personal health records. 1.3. Electronics. Smartphone and charger. A must-have for communication, navigation, and entertainment, ensuring you're always connected. Power bank. To keep your devices charged on the go, especially during long travel days without access to power outlets. Travel adapter. Essential for international travel to fit different types of sockets and ensure your devices are always usable. Camera. For capturing memories, with extra batteries and memory cards to ensure you never miss a moment. Laptop or tablet, optional but useful for longer trips, business travel, or entertainment on the go. Headphones, for entertainment and noise cancellation during transit, ensuring a peaceful and enjoyable journey. 1.4. Clothing and accessories. Weather-appropriate clothing. Check the forecast and pack accordingly, including clothes suitable for the climate and activities planned. Comfortable shoes, a pair of walking shoes for day-to-day activities, and 1 pair of dressier shoes for special occasions. Layers include sweaters, jackets, and scarves for varying temperatures and unpredictable weather. Sleepwear, comfortable clothes for sleeping, ensuring a good night's rest. Underwear and socks. Enough for the duration of your trip plus a few extra pairs for unforeseen circumstances. Swimwear. If you plan on swimming or visiting a beach, ensuring you can enjoy water activities. Accessories. Hat, sunglasses, and jewelry to complete your outfits and protect against the sun. 1.5. Toiletries. Toothbrush and toothpaste. Essential for maintaining dental hygiene while traveling. Shampoo and conditioner. Travel-sized bottles to save space and avoid spills. Soap or body wash. Again, travel-sized is best to keep your luggage light and organized. Deodorant, to stay fresh and avoid any uncomfortable situations. Skincare products, moisturizer, sunscreen, and any other routine essentials to maintain your skincare regimen. Hairbrush or comb, for personal grooming and keeping your hair in check. Razor and shaving cream, if needed, to maintain your grooming standards. Makeup and makeup remover. For those who use them, ensuring you can maintain your appearance. Feminine hygiene products, essential for women to ensure comfort and preparedness. 1.6. Miscellaneous. Reusable water bottle. Stay hydrated and reduce plastic waste by refilling your bottle. Snacks. Non-perishable snacks for travel days to keep hunger at bay. Travel pillow and blanket. For added comfort during long journeys, ensuring you can rest properly. Books or e-reader. For entertainment during downtime or long waits. Journal and pen. For jotting down memories, important information, or keeping track of your itinerary. 2. Domestic travel essentials. Domestic travel usually means shorter distances and fewer complications with customs and regulations. Here's what you should specifically consider for domestic trips. 2.1. Short weekend trips. For a quick getaway, pack light and smart. Carry on. Bag. Bag. Choose a bag that fits airline carry-on requirements to avoid checked baggage fees and save time. Versatile outfits. Choose clothes that can be mixed and matched to create multiple outfits from fewer items. Minimal toiletries. Travel-sized essentials to save space and comply with TSA regulations. Lightweight jacket. Even if the forecast is warm, evenings can be chilly, so a light jacket is useful. Entertainment. A book or a few magazines to keep you occupied during travel or downtime. 2.2. Road trips. For road trips, you have the advantage of space but still need to be organized. Car charger. Essential for keeping your devices powered throughout the journey. Navigation tools. GPS device or smartphone with offline maps to ensure you stay on track. Snacks and drinks. Non-perishable and easy-to-eat options to keep you fueled during long drives. Cooler. For perishable items and drinks to stay fresh and cool. Blanket and pillow. For added comfort during breaks or if you need to sleep in the car. Emergency kit. Jumper cables, flashlight, and basic tools for any car-related emergencies. Reusable shopping bags. Handy for stops at grocery stores or markets, reducing plastic waste. 3. International travel essentials. Traveling internationally requires more preparation and consideration of different regulations and cultures. Here's what you need. 3.1. Long-haul flights. Long flights can be exhausting, so prepare to stay comfortable. Comfortable clothing. Opt for layers and loose-fitting clothes to stay comfortable during long hours. Compression socks. To prevent swelling and improve circulation during long periods of sitting. Sleep mask and earplugs. For better sleep on the plane, blocking out light and noise. Toothbrush and toothpaste. For freshening up mid-flight and arriving feeling refreshed. Entertainment. Load your device with movies, music, and books to keep yourself entertained. Healthy snacks. Airlines may not always cater to your preferences, so bring your own snacks. 3.2. Cultural sensitivity. When traveling abroad, respect local customs and cultures. Appropriate clothing. Research local dress codes, especially in conservative countries, to avoid offending locals. Language guide. A phrasebook or language app to help with basic communication and enhance your experience. Cultural norms. Learn about local etiquette to avoid offending anyone and to show respect. Local laws and regulations. Be aware of any unique laws that could affect you to avoid legal trouble. 3.3. International SIM card stay connected by getting an international SIM card or a portable Wi-Fi device. This is crucial for navigation, communication, and staying updated, ensuring you're never out of touch. 4. Adventurous travel essentials. If your trip involves adventure sports or exploring the great outdoors, you'll need specialized gear. 4.1. Hiking and camping. For outdoor activities like hiking and camping, ensure you pack the following. Backpack, durable and comfortable for long hikes with enough space for all your essentials. Tent and sleeping bag, lightweight and suitable for the weather conditions, ensuring a good night's sleep. Camping stove and utensils, for cooking meals in the wilderness, making your camping experience more enjoyable. Portable water filter, to ensure safe drinking water from natural sources. First aid kit, more comprehensive, including bandages, antiseptic, and a snakebite kit for emergencies. Multi-tool, a versatile tool for various needs, from repairs to meal preparation. Hiking boots, sturdy and waterproof to protect your feet and provide support on rough terrain. Navigation tools, GPS, map, and compass to ensure you stay on track in remote areas. Weather gear, rain jacket, thermal layers, and a hat to prepare for changing weather conditions. 4.2. Water sports. For activities like surfing, kayaking, or diving, pack accordingly. Swimwear. Durable and comfortable, suitable for water activities. Wetsuit. Appropriate for the water temperature to keep you warm and comfortable. Waterproof bag. To keep your belongings dry during water activities. Dry bag. For storing wet items and keeping your other gear dry. Snorkeling gear. Mask, snorkel, and fins for exploring underwater. Action camera. To capture underwater adventures and create lasting memories. Water shoes, for protection and grip on slippery surfaces and rocky shores. 4.3. Winter sports. If you're heading to the slopes for skiing or snowboarding, pack these essentials. Sky jacket and pants, waterproof and insulated to keep you warm and dry. Base layers, moisture wicking and thermal to provide warmth and comfort. Ski gloves, waterproof and warm to protect your hands from the cold. Helmet, safety first to protect your head during falls or collisions. Goggles, for eye protection against snow glare and wind. Neck gaiter or scarf, to keep warm and protect against cold winds. Ski socks, warm and moisture wicking to keep your feet comfortable. Ski boots and bindings. Ensure they fit well for comfort and safety on the slopes. Avalanche gear. If you're going off-piste, including a beacon, shovel, and probe for safety. 5. Tips for efficient packing. 5.1. Create a packing list. A packing list helps ensure you don't forget anything essential. Customize your list based on your destination, duration, and activities, ensuring you have everything you need. 5.2. Use packing cubes. Packing cubes help organize your items and maximize space. Use different cubes for clothing, toiletries, electronics, etc., making it easier to find things and stay organized. 5.3. Roll your clothes. Rolling clothes instead of folding them can save space and reduce wrinkles, making it easier to fit more into your luggage. 5.4. Wear bulky items. Wear your heaviest and bulkiest items, like jackets and boots, on travel days to save luggage space and avoid overpacking. 5.5. Pack multi-use items. Choose items that can serve multiple purposes, like a scarf that can double as a blanket or a dress that can be dressed up or down to save space. 5.6. Check airline baggage policies. Before you pack, check your airline's baggage policies to avoid any surprises at the airport, ensuring you comply with weight and size restrictions. 5.7. Keep valuables in your carry-on. Always keep your valuables, important documents, and a change of clothes in your carry-on in case your checked luggage is delayed or lost, ensuring you have essentials with you. 5.8. Leave room for souvenirs. If you plan on bringing back souvenirs, leave some extra space in your luggage or pack a foldable bag to carry them easily. 6. Packing checklist summary. Packing efficiently for a trip, whether domestic or international, adventurous or general, is crucial for a smooth journey. Essential items include documents like passports and visas, health and safety gear, medications, first aid kits, electronics, smartphone, chargers, weather-appropriate clothing, toiletries, and miscellaneous items, reusable water bottles, snacks. Domestic travel may need versatile outfits and car essentials, while international travel requires cultural sensitivity and staying connected. For adventurous trips, specialized gear for hiking, camping, water, or winter sports is necessary. Tips like creating a packing list, using packing cubes, and wearing bulky items can maximize space and organization. Tailoring your packing to your destination and activities ensures you're prepared for any situation. Packing for a trip requires thoughtful preparation and organization. By following this video, you can ensure you have all the essentials for a smooth and enjoyable journey. Safe travels.